Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Season Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so very much. Your girl really does appreciate it and welcome back. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, you know what to do. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button down below. Become a part of the Season Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you. And there is more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today, as you saw in the title, we will be unboxing our BOXYCHARM base box for the month of January. This is the first base box of the new year. So, for those of you who are not familiar with it, if you check down below, I will leave all the information about all things BOXYCHARM. So if you would like to try it out for yourself, you will be ready. Okay, so when we open it up, the first thing that we have is our description card, which says our theme for this month is refresh. Okay, and on the back it gives you a description of all the products that are enclosed, which also includes the manufacturer suggested retail price. Okay, so let's just jump in and see what's in the box. Okay, so the first item that we have is by the company FARMACY. Okay, and this is the Feeling Good Hyaluronic Acid Plumping Serum. Okay, and it says it is a skin plumping micro filling serum that hydrates and soothes the look of fine lines. This powerful formula features advanced multi-molecular hyaluronic acid designed to penetrate the skin more effectively, along with amino acids and vegan collagen peptides to deliver visibly plump, healthy looking skin. And the manufacturer suggested retail price is $44. So this product is a 1 fluid ounce size or 30 milliliters. And it says that it was made exclusively for BOXYCHARM. Okay, it has no parabens, no formaldehyde, no synthetic fragrance, phthalates, minerals, and it is also cruelty-free. Okay, and this is what the inside of the packaging looks like. Okay, this is very interesting. It does say that it has a 12-month shelf life. And it says just apply to clean skin in the morning and in the evening. Okay, so that is item number 1. Then the second item that we have is by Dermalect. Okay, and this is the Revitalate Eyelid and Dark Circle Corrector. Okay, and it says powered by multi-peptides and tightening agents, this eye treatment targets puffy eye bags, dark under eye circles, and droopy eyelids. This light diffusing pigment instantly blurs imperfections and conceals damage, while the soothing and smoothing cool tip applicator helps stimulate circulation, resulting in instantly fresh and rejuvenated eyes. Manufacturer suggested retail price for this product is $59. And this is a 15 milliliter or 0.5 fluid ounce size. And it says it is professional strength, and it is a 5-in-1 advanced eye treatment, addresses serious dark circles. Okay, I'm here for this. Definitely here for it. The only thing I don't like, there are a lot of ingredients here that are very difficult to pronounce. So that means that there are quite a few items here that are not necessarily all natural. However, it does say it is cruelty-free, and it does have a 12-month shelf life. Now, this is what the inside packaging. So with this being by Dermalite, I do like their products. I've been using one of their serums for a while now. It's just about empty. It's time for a new one. And I do have this one as well. Plus I have an eyelash serum, which I do like. Definitely do like. Okay, so that is item number 2. Then moving right along, the next item we have is by LYS Beauty, and that's this one right here, and this is the No Limits Matte Bronzer. Now, it says it's velvety in texture. This clean, easy to blend bronzer delivers a sun-kissed glow and stunning dimensions that pulls your look together with a natural matte finish. Formulated with niacinamide, sodium hydrogenate, and green tea extract, this finely milled bronzer gives skin the warmth you want while blurring the look of imperfections and texture. It is vegan and cruelty-free, and the manufacturer's suggested retail price is $18. All right, and it does say it is a 0.23 ounce size. And oh, I do like the shade. Okay, I wasn't going to open it because I wasn't sure if the shade would be okay for me. However, this one tells me right here that the shade that I have is called Strength, and it is on the darker women side. So I do like that. So let's just check it out and see what the actual product looks like. Okay, beautiful packaging, definitely beautiful packaging. Okay, and there is a mirror inside, and yes, I am feeling this shade. So how about this? I'm gonna cover the mirror and I want to show it to you. How about that? That right there is a gorgeous, gorgeous shade. Okay, so I'm not exactly ready to use it yet. Well, I guess it doesn't matter because it's open. So let's just take out a bronzing brush, and I'm gonna go ahead. Oh yes. Oh, I'm here for this one. This is a beautiful shade for me. Okay, I'm excited for the try on and review portion. Okay, definitely liking this. I don't like the fact that I now have fingerprints all over my packaging. So I know y'all, I'm extra. I will admit it, because yes, I do have a microfiber towel here waiting so that I could wipe it off. Okay, so that is the next item. Then moving right along, you know what? If I'm not mistaken, this is a Black-owned brand as well. Okay, and then the next item that we have is by Item Beauty, and this is interesting. It's called Quip Moisturizing Lip Oil. Here we go, and this is what the packaging looks like. And it says, thanks to good for you ingredients like jojoba oil, almond oil, camellia japonica seed oil, and shea butter, this luscious gloss forms a juicy boost of hydration that keeps lips soft and kissable. And the manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $14. I love this tamper resistant packaging, okay? Because you will definitely know if it has been open, okay? Now, this is a 0.13 fluid ounce size. And this packaging is very, very pretty. Very pretty. And this is what the inside packaging looks like. And it says it is not tested on animals. It is vegan, but it is dermatologist tested. Let's see what kind of shelf life we have. It says 12 months. So let's just try this out. Okay. Okay. It smells amazing. First of all, it smells amazing. And I just slid a little bit on. You saw. Look at that. And it's not sticky at all. Not sticky at all. So I like this. Y'all know I'm gonna have to keep it away from the sidekick. That one thinks every lip gloss that comes in goes to her. Okay, and then the last item that we have is by Dragon Beauty, and it's this packaging right here. And this is the Lip Job Liner and Sharpener. And it says contour, reshape, and create your ultimate lip fantasy with this extra 3 X's, y'all. Long tip pencil, ultra moisturizing and hydrating. This formula serves fuller lips, needle free. Keep your lip job liners on point with this single blade Dragon Beauty logo sharpener. And the manufacturer suggested retail price is $18. The shade that I have is 2.0 CC, okay? And you already know it says it is an extra long pencil, okay? Now, I think I kind of went out of order because I would have liked to try this pencil and lip gloss, but we do have a try-on coming up, so we'll take care of it then, okay? But it does say this is a 2-ounce size, and this is what the sharpener looks like. Okay, and the top pops open and then shuts. Okay, so let's see if we can swatch this shade. I don't think you're really going to be able to see this one on my hand because this is really, really close to my skin tone. It's right here, just in case. Okay, that's the line right there. Okay, so that is the last item that we received. All right, let me decide here. Well, we did get a mixture. We received some skincare. And we did receive, now I don't know if I want to constitute this as this is not a lip, I don't know. This is just a lip oil. It's an oil, which I can definitely agree with because it is not sticky at all. It didn't really add any color, but it definitely enhanced the color that was there. So far, I'm okay with this. I will tell you, I did see someone else's box, and I'm kind of having a moment that in here, I got no palette. This is twice, y'all. But I don't know. Like I said, we're going to give it a couple months, and we're going to see exactly what BoxyCharm is like in 2022. Is it worth this price increase just because you're paying more? Are we getting any more? is this giving me more of what I want, or is it giving me more of the same? That's what I feel we're gonna have to check out. Because I'm looking at this and I'm wondering, is this like Honeymoon Glow? Okay, which is a FARMACY product. The only difference is this one was made exclusively for BoxyCharm. Okay, so I won't get that in any other box anywhere else. However, big deal. I'm just saying. So that's where we stand for right now. So we'll just play it by ear and see, okay? Let me know your thoughts down below, okay? So I just want to tell you, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unboxed our very first BOXYCHARM base box for the year 2022. And these are the items that were enclosed. Down below, you will find the manufacturer suggested retail price for all the items that are inside, okay? Now, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.